Coach going live. It's late night. If you guys see this, come on in, tap in real quick. Just got done teaching a master class. So I apologize because I'm a little late. But I had to come touch the family. I had to come bless you guys before we got going, man. So if you come on in, let me know where you from. More importantly, let me know if you're ready to make some money tomorrow. Okay. I got a jam-packed one for you guys, like always. So make sure you get the likes up. Make sure you let me know where you from as you come in. But more importantly, let me know if you're ready to make some money. This is my vampire gang, okay? It's the nightlife squad right here, okay? So I just want to make sure I get you guys prepared to get busy in the market tomorrow, okay? Do me a favor, guys. Listen for me and take some notes, okay? Listen and take some notes for me because I got a few plays for you guys, all right? So tomorrow you're gonna get a gap up. All right. I want you to understand high level chess in the market, okay? Tomorrow we're gonna get a gap up. Your job, okay? We coming out. Matter of fact, everybody be in the Discord first thing in the morning, okay? Everybody else consider joining the money team. Shout out to everybody that joined. Our plays will be out first thing Monday morning at 8:30, okay? So if you join, just know Coach see you. And we're going to get busy tomorrow morning at 8:30. Do me a favor, though. If you are on the money team this week, be prepared. I want you to be ready, okay, to make money in both directions. I'm going to have banging hot plays for calls, and I'm going to have banging hot plays for puts, okay? You just make sure you on the right side of the trade, okay? I'm going to set you guys up for massive success to kick off the week because Monday sets the tone, okay? But listen to this. It's high level chess. Everybody say high level chess. I want you guys to prepare for. Tomorrow we're going to gap up. So stocks are going to gap up tomorrow, okay? Mark my words. Follow this stuff to a T. We're going to mark up. So that's called a dead cat bounce. Everybody write dead cat bounce, okay? High level chess is word number one. Dead cat bounce is word number two. We call this stock lingo, okay? Tomorrow you're going to get a gap up. So think about all the stocks. Coach got about 4 or 5 for you today. Every stock you can think of is going to gap up tomorrow. So wherever it closed at Friday, say it closed here, it's going to be here on tomorrow, okay? But after it run and test resistance, everybody write resistance for stock lingo, word number 3. Resistance is a ceiling. Resistance is a level that the stock will go test and ultimately determine if it want to go through or get rejected and come back down, okay? These are little things I want you to look for the first 5 minutes of the market tomorrow, okay? Because if we're going to be operating like this in the Discord, we coming right out the gate. The levels will be spot on to a T there. But if you're on a money team, you're going to have 3 or 4 plays that's going to change your life, okay? All right, secondly, we're going to have a gap up in the morning. So say, I got you, coach. I understood, okay? After the gap up, okay? After we decide if we want to break through resistance, you are going to see some rejection, okay? That's going to be called a bull trap for some of the stocks, okay? And it's just a structural technical thing, okay? The bull trap for some stocks. So let's use Tesla for example. If Tesla can't get above, everybody write this down as an example because I want you guys to come back when we meet tomorrow after the market close. I want you to see how well this stuff panned out, okay? So Tesla is going to gap up tomorrow. Follow these words, okay? I'm not looking at the market. I'm just telling you how this go. 440 is resistance on Tesla, okay? So this is an example. If Tesla can't get above 440, it's going to hit it and come down, okay? That's your cue to say, okay, I can buy TSS or I can buy a put and make money in either direction on that. But listen to this. If Tesla do it, Palantir is going to do it. If Palantir do it, Then you're going to have other stocks that's going to follow suit, okay? So it's a pattern. You can make money with one or all three. There's going to be some stocks. Everybody write this down. Stocks that's going to go crazy tomorrow is quantum computing, QUBT. Write this down in case you don't even want to mess with the downside. The stocks that's going to go up. Remember, there's a bull market somewhere, always in the market. Stocks are going to go up tomorrow. Everybody go look at QUBT. Okay, that's stock number one. I need you guys to then look at IREN, IREN. Go look at that ticker symbol for me, IREN. All right. Then, guys, you are going to have, you're going to get CoreWeave, CRWV. Okay. These are going to be the places going to go up tomorrow. Everybody write down the word rotation. Why are they going to go up, coach? Because if we getting out of Tesla, they got to put the money in somewhere else. Does that make sense? And so, boom, these are going to be some plays that's going to get the money from Tesla to make them go up temporarily as well. Okay. In addition to CoreWeave, you're going to have BMNR. I want you guys to stay on that. Okay. If you miss Bitcoin, don't worry. Remember I told you, you gonna catch Ethereum rocking with Coach. And one other way you gonna hit a home run is BMNR, Bitcoin mining, okay? Bitcoin emergence, BMNR, okay? App Lovin will do good tomorrow, ticker symbol APP. And then, guys, you have, what else? I got quantum computing, IREN, APLD. I can't sleep on APLD. Okay, APLD. These are to your plays to the upside tomorrow. Okay. Now listen, you gotta be looking to make money in both directions. Cause listen to this: the SPY and the Nasdaq run everything. Okay. So if you have, listen to this, guys. The plays I just gave you are going to go up. But if the SPY start coming down and the QQQ start coming down, not tomorrow, but Tuesday. Everybody write this down. Tuesday, my plays that are up Monday will start coming down Tuesday. Let me know if that's understood. This is high level chess. Okay. So I need you to be prepared. So you might be like, man, coach, I made $100 yesterday to the up, or Monday to the upside. Then you should make $100 on your same exact play if it pulls back to the downside. Okay. I want you to be open to that. Okay. I want you to be open to the idea and the possibility of making money when stocks come down in price. Okay. Listen to this. Write this down. Protect your capital. I need you to protect your capital. Preserve your capital. How do I do that, coach? That means you got to sell and take profit. Sell means take profit. Take profit means sell. So if you're up 40%, 60%, 80% on just a trade, something that's short term, lock that in. If you gap up, we're going to gap up tomorrow. So y'all stock's going to be up in the morning, okay? If you need to, you can sell right at open, then watch and observe what the market do from there, and then go about your business, okay? Also, you protect your profit. You got to use your stop loss and or a trailing stop loss, okay? So if your play is up 100%, you might put your stop loss at 60%. So you still make a substantial amount. You're still making 60%. You're up 100%. So in the event there's a rug pull, okay, you have still secured and locked in your profits. Listen to this, guys. One good catalyst, if we get this to go in our favor, we might get a stimulus check. So you might get a stimulus check of $1,000 to $2,000. Okay. Now remember, I taught you guys, Main Street ain't Wall Street. Main Street is everyday people, okay? Like me, you, your family, your brothers, your cousins, your mother, your sisters, and all that. Wall Street is a whole different world, okay? So if you get $1,000 or $2,000, that is good for you personally, okay? But that's going to make inflation tick back a little higher, okay? And so you have to know You have to know something that's good. Remember, I taught you guys like the thing we think is bad is good for Wall Street, and the thing we think is good for us is bad on Wall Street. So, like us getting money, we all could use an extra $1,000. We all could use $2,000, and that money is going to come from all the tariffs, and it's going to get gave back to you guys. That is good for you because a lot of you know how to trade. A lot of you know how to turn 1,000 into 3,000. Okay, but then that's going to make the market inflation go back up, but that's going to make the market come down. Okay, so for example, remember I keep giving you guys the analogy of, remember I told you the government shutdown. That sound bad, but the market went up. Remember I taught you guys about Macy's going out of business. That sound bad, but the stock went up. Starbucks closing a bunch of stores. That sound bad, but the stock went up. Okay, I want you to remember it's called the upside down. They do the inverse of each other. You need to know that, okay? So with that being said, man, do me a favor, get the likes up, okay? Everybody write this down. Ticker symbol IREN. That's stock number 1. Stock number 2 is QUBT, Quantum Computing. This is to the upside tomorrow. Stock number 3 is CoreWeave, okay, CRWV, Circle, CRCL. Don't forget Circle, okay. AppLovin, APP, ticker symbol APP, and APLD, okay. Make sure you guys get the likes up to 1,000. That's 6 plays that's going to hit for you guys because Monday sets the tone, okay? So that's the 6 that's going to hit. Everything else going to pop. Everything going to get a gap up in the morning, but it ain't going to hold. The 6 going to hold that I gave, but the other one's going to come back down, okay? Thinking stuff like Palantir, think of NVIDIA, think of Meta, think of Tesla, that kind of stuff, okay? Only news could help sustain it. Other than that, the technicals will eventually drive it down, especially by the end of the day or by Tuesday, okay? But you don't guess, you don't gamble, you don't front run. You protect yourself, okay? You protect yourself with all of this, okay? If you in doubt, you have to zoom out 30 minutes for me, okay? Like if you ever say, man, coach, I didn't know what the market was going to do. If you ever have that thought when you are trading, okay, you got to switch your time frame to the 30-minute or 1 hour time frame. Write this down, guys, real quick. This is some $1 million worth of game. If you are ever in doubt on what the market is going to do, change your chart to the 30-minute time frame or the 1 hour time frame, okay? Do me this favor. These are things that's going to help you on your journey. All right. And then you want to see the candle closes on either of those 2 time frames so you can know, okay, we going up or we're going down. The market only got 2 moves. They can go up, down, or sideways. Up, down, or sideways. Okay. So they only got 2 moves. If you ever in doubt, do me a favor. You go to the 30-minute time frame. But listen to this. If you on a 30-minute time frame, you got to let 30 minutes pass by. So if it's 9:30, you got to wait till 10 o'clock Eastern time because that's 30 minutes, okay? If you use the 1 hour time frame, then you got to wait. If it's 9:30 Eastern time, then you got to wait till 10:30 Eastern time. Apply everything I'm teaching you to whatever time zone you're in. These are key critical things, guys, for how you be successful. If in doubt, zoom out so you don't have to sit it out, okay? So you can get clarity. I want you to know, and I want you to be on the right side of your trades, all right? I don't care if the market go up or down, okay? I make money in both directions. You should have saw how I crushed Tesla last week, Friday and Thursday, okay? Because coach don't care. But I need you to also know, like, man, okay, I can make money if a stock go down. So you need to prepare for it. We want it to go up, but in case it come down, you need to be prepared, okay? So you switch to the 30-minute time frame or the 1 hour time frame. And the time frames tell you how long your play gonna take. So if you on a 30-minute, you gotta wait 30 minutes. If you on a 1 hour, you gotta wait 1 hour. If you on the 5 minutes, you need to be looking for moves to happen in 5 minutes. Okay, don't front run. Okay, these are little nuances that matter. Okay, so tomorrow I want you to at least start your day out on a 30-minute time frame for me. Okay, if you feel like you know what you're doing, you can get busy right away. For everybody else, if you're new, if this is new information for you, start on a 30-minute time frame for me. Okay, because you're going to see for yourself. Okay, I see what coach was putting down. I see the direction we're going. They got two moves. They can either go up or they go down. Okay, they got two moves, up or down. And so you want to be on the right side of that. If you see things are going up, you ride the wave. You go with the trend. Why? Because the trend is your friend. If you see things going down, you go down with the trend. Listen to this. When a stock is going down, it's going to a destination. If a stock is going down, listen to this. Write this down. A stock that's going down is looking to for a gap. They looking to fill a gap or close a gap. They're looking to go to support number 1, support number 2, and support number 3. Remember, I taught you guys there's 3 levels of support and there's 3 levels of resistance. When the stock is going down, it is looking to hit that destination. Okay, so you need to be mindful of that. When a stock is going up, it is either looking to make a new all-time high, it is looking to recapture the previous high, or guys, it is going to make a lower high. Them the 3 moves that an upward moving stock will do. Okay, and so with that being said, man, I want you guys to understand how to make sure you're playing high level chess when you get in the market tomorrow. All right, with that being said, man, listen, everybody be in the Discord, be in the Patreon. Link will be somewhere down in the description below. Get the likes up for me. Make sure you get the likes up. Okay, make sure you share this because somebody need it. Okay, be in a Patreon/Discord first thing in the morning. Monday sets the tone, so we got to come out the gate, guys, kicking butt and taking names. Okay, then everybody else consider joining the money team. All right, we gonna set the tone for the week. But listen, if you join a money team, 1, get your feet wet if you brand new. 2, if you've been here already, you already know what time it is. Be ready to make money in both directions. So listen, tomorrow you might make money on a call. Tuesday, you make money on your put. Let me know if that's understood, okay? But I'll take care of that. I'm going to provide all the information for you guys. I'm going to ensure you are successful because you guys need people to walk alongside you, show you the way, show you what's possible. And then guys, you can go off and flourish on your own. All right. So listen, man, I'm excited. You already know Sunday, my favorite day. I'm keeping you guys up late night with Coach. I had a teacher class today. Hopefully, if anybody attended, you enjoyed the master class. Myself, Keenan, Grace, and Stock Up with Larry Jones taught on tonight. But there'll be future ones possibly on the horizon if that's something you want more of. Okay. But I'm going to show up every day for you guys, regardless of that. I'm going to put it down for free. I'm going to put it down to make sure you get it. And if you need more understanding, we got one-on-one coaching and we got all kind of other resources, guys, for you to level your game up, all right? So listen, man, Coach going to get up out of here. I want to see you guys first thing in the morning. Bring your A game, okay? Bring your A game. All right. Remember them 6 stocks I gave you for tomorrow if you need to make some money. And know that all the other stocks gonna come down tomorrow. So if you need to make some money, you can do puts and or you can buy the inverse. So like, okay, so everything has an inverse. So like if it goes like a SQQQ. Okay, so you can buy the inverse of whatever stock that ain't going up, buy the inverse for tomorrow. We're going to get up out of here, man. Listen, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. So do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my links below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.